first let's talk about entering data into your worksheet. It's pretty simple. Basically, you just click on a cell, it will highlight it. And when it's highlighted by that black box, you can just type in whatever you want to type in. So let's say here we're going to type in cabinets. And then when you're finished typing, you can click enter, or you can click on the little check mark here. Now, a couple of cool little tricks. If you want to go to the next cell, you click the tab button and it jumps right over there. And then now we're going to put in some numbers. Let's just put in the number 1000. And then let's go to the next cell, and we want to put in a number there. Let's put in 200. And then you can click, if you click enter, it'll drop you down to the next line. And anytime you hit enter, it'll drop you down one line. One quick little tip: if you want to copy this information a number of times, you can grab the corner of the box. See how my little cursor turns to a plus, and you can drag it down like this, and it will automatically copy all of that information down like that. That's the simple way to enter data into cells. In the next section, we're going to look at how to select cells and move around through the page a little more easily.